This is Fogway engine number 2. It's a Cummins 6BTA 260 at 2600 RPM. This one's got a lot of upgrades on it. We built the custom skids made by Justin, custom mounting brackets on the transmission, custom mounting brackets on the front of the engine. This is designed to be drop-in ready for the boat. We also added the FS1000 filter right here. Not really an option on the higher horsepower because the aftercooler is mounted there. We're going to fire it up in a bit and just check for leaks, make sure it shifts in and out of gear nice and smooth. It's also got an Envirovent on it, the crankcase ventilation. You ready?
Yep.
It's got oil pressure. Transmission's got oil pressure. Shifting nice. No leaks, pumping plenty of water through the seawater cooling system. We also added the dual groove pulley on the front. Everything's looking good, no leaks.